Hey guys, so this is my first video with the entire vlogging setup that I've done with the GoPro. So going to be a trial setup and just a ride from my house to office. So let's see how it goes. Everything should be in place. It's lovely weather today. Just hoping that it doesn't start to rain or drizzle by evening when we come back home. So primarily what I've done is I have bought the chin mount from Blue Armor, and then I've got the J-hook buckle, which is used to connect the GoPro to the chin mount. And the J-hook buckle, I have put it inversely. So basically it's not like this, it's like this. And I have also inversely put the GoPro. The reason for doing that is because when I put it up straight, then I'm not able to get a proper angle, just for the mere fact that the windshield is really tall. I still don't know the angle as of now because I just recently bought the J-hook and I've put this, because before I had a 2-clamp system, and because of the 2-clamp system, what used to happen sometimes is when I am off-roading, the clamps used to slightly bend, slow down and keep going downwards. So the angle used to change by itself. I experienced that in Coorg, the ride to Coorg which I had gone. I'll upload that video also later. I didn't know this factor, that the GoPro Hero 8 which I use, they come with I mean, you can buy an app like a GoPro media mod. So what the media mod is, basically it is like a case which has a Type-C connector on the side. So you remove the actual side connector, and then you fit the GoPro inside that case, that media mod. And then they have mic adapter, cables, mini HDMI and a Type-C on the side itself. Now so if you guys, whoever has the Hero 8 Black, can think about buying that. It's very compact, so it can help you in a lot of space saving and weight saving on your helmet as well. I have got that 3.5 mm mic adapter. So, and the Ulanzi case which can hold the mic adapter as well along with it. I had done a DIY mic at home using some old headphones which had mic, and the headphones had basically got spoiled, so I had to just cut them. It's a very simple process. I did see a lot of videos on YouTube and DIY videos, and then I did this mic setup as well. The only thing you'll need is probably the connector, the TRS connector, so which converts your TRRS headphone jack to a TRS connector, which works for the 3.5mm mic adapter that goes along with the GoPro. A lot of checking happening regarding to papers and modifications on the two-wheelers and masks not being worn. Now I'm thinking that, been traveling quite a lot. There's a lot of experiences that I want to share. I feel that I should be sharing them. Even if it is, very minute. My personal experiences, things that I had trouble finding on the internet, things that I spoke to other people about, all those things. And then, sorted those issues accordingly. So yeah, it helps when you have problems, but because you have to solve them, because this is the first of its kind KTM 390 adventure in India, and there are issues with the bike as well. I'm not saying that it's foolproof perfect. But yeah, then you try to find solutions, you try to talk to people, you try to talk to other fellow riders, find out what would they do, what solutions would they recommend, and then you probably try it out. And once you try it out, you like it, so you want to share it with other people who probably are not reachable, or they're looking out for it over the internet but they can't find it. So I'll put in some of my experiences. I'll put in some of the modifications that I have done on this bike. Not very much, very touring based modifications, and those videos will come as and when it comes. I'll make short videos so that you don't get bored over it, and let's see how it goes. Let's see the feedback you guys are giving me, based on which I can probably focus on other recommendations that you guys have. And yep, here I am reaching my office. Alright guys, so that's about it from here. It's going to become really dark now, so I'll keep you guys posted, updated. Let's see what happens. It's the first try, so there are a lot of more videos that we might upload. So let's see. Bye guys, take care.